Welcome back. And as you have learned 3 ways to insert your CSS in your web document, now we will discuss more about the style sheets and how we can use multiple style sheets and their priority in your web pages. As we have already learned that we have given the style sheets and style to our HTML elements by 3 different ways. As you can see that last time we have given the inline styling. And one thing to remember about inline styling is that an inline style loses many of the advantages of a style sheet by mixing content with presentation. Use this method sparingly, right? And for multiple style sheets, if some properties have been defined for the same selector element in different style sheets, the value from the last read style sheet will be used. Now let's take example for this purpose. Assume that an external style sheet has the following style. For example, H1 color is something like this is for body. If we change the color of the body, then it will not affect our style for the elements like H1, paragraph and other elements. Let's say its color is black, and this is styling for the body. This is not for the H1 or C element. So let's save and use save this and see in the web browser. Nothing happened, so now we will style the elements which we have styled already in our style sheet. Now for H1 you can use color something like black, and this is also the black color. Now if we refresh the page, then our text will be changed to black. Now you can see that the internal styling has effect on our HTML element instead of the external styling, because it has been used below the external styling. If the internal style is defined after the link to the external style sheet, then H1 element will be black. And you have all seen that now its color has been turned into blue because we have changed the order of our style sheet. And the proper way is to include the external style sheet above the internal style sheet so that we can change our styling in our specific document by using the internal style sheets. And this is the example. However, if the internal style is defined for the link to the external style sheet, the HTML element will remain the same as we have already in our document. Now let's take another sheet and define the color for paragraph. That's for just for purpose to see the effect. That its color is green. If we take its color green, then green, save this mystyle.css in the same folder in which we have our HTML document, otherwise we have to set the path accordingly. Now include the style sheet here, link, rel, style sheet, reference, my style, or you can also use the browse button to link our style sheet. Double click or OK, click OK, and also define this type, which is the text or CSS. Now as you can see that is style sheet below the above style sheet. Now if the color of the paragraph will be the same as in this style sheet, which is my style.css, and color is green, and as it is below, so our HTML element will pick this style. Right, and here the color is green. And let's save all of the documents and see in the browser. Now our paragraph has text color has been changed into green because we have defined this style in our second style sheet, which is my style.css. Right, and the other thing is the cascading order. So we can use the cascading order in our style sheet or web document to style the HTML elements. And you can see that now if we change this is the inline styling, and if this is applied first in our HTML element, this other is first, and this is second, and this is the third styling. What style will be used when there is more than one style specified for the HTML element? Generally speaking, we can say that all the styles will be cascaded into new virtual style sheet by the following rules, where number 1 has the highest priority. For example, inline style, this is the first one inside an HTML element, and if we remove the styling and refresh the page, then default styling will be here for which is the browser default. And the second one is a external and internal style sheet, and the third one is the browser default, and this is the browser default. And just back and refresh the page, and all styling has been back. So an inline style inside a specific HTML element has the highest priority, which means that it will override a style defined inside the head tag or an external style sheet or a browser default value. So if we want to change the color for the body, then give style HTML or as a CSS style background color is, let's say, something like yellow or like this. And now if we save this document and see our page, this color has been applied to our body. Recheck. Now you can see that color which that we have given has been applied to our background, to the body. Try experimenting by removing styles to see how the cascading styles work. Right? And if you have any question about this tutorial, then you can comment below at my website, and I will surely answer your questions. there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.